Welcome back to Circuits with Angel. Today we'll be looking at this breadboard power supply module, or as we will call it, the easy power supply. It supplies voltage to our breadboard without us putting in these leads that sometimes pop out. It also prevents the leads from touching and creating a short circuit, which damages your battery and components. It's pretty easy to put on. You just line up the holes and pins and press it down into it. Make sure they line up on both sides or else the pins might not go in. I'll show you how. I have a step-by-step picture version too. Once it's in, you just take a 9-volt battery, take your connector, and put them together. Remember, if you have trouble putting it together, ask a supervisor. And once you do that, plug the output into the black port. Now the easy power supply has power. To get into the breadboard's rails, press this button. If it turns green, then you now have power. If it doesn't when you push it, then you didn't connect the 9-volt battery in properly. That's basically how we use this component. We'll be using it in our circuits a lot more from now on. To summarize, 1. The easy power supply stops short circuits automatically. And 2. It fits on our breadboard perfectly. It snaps right in. Now, that's all. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.